Once again, welcome back to the channel. So we have a great week in the last week. As you can see here, this is my plan that I fleshed out about 2 weeks ago. You can refer back to the video. So this is our long-term plan for the next 12 months, which is until Q1 2025. The first step is actually to pass the FTMO funded trial account within 2 weeks, in which we have achieved on last Monday, which is on the 11th of March. Okay, we have completed it on the 11th of March. Let me just highlight it to green, meaning that we have already passed this one, and most probably we just put down the debt. Okay, it's our milestone here. And the second one, we are moving into this stage. If you follow through my live thread, you have known that I have purchased this 6K FundedNext account. The reason I'm using FundedNext is because there is no time limit to complete the challenge. Okay, phase 1 we are targeting 8% and phase 2 is 5%. So I'm utilizing the account that I used previously. So I got a discount of 10% there. So we started this on the I think it's on the 12th of March, and we are targeting to complete each phase in 1 month time lah. Okay, the earlier the better. Okay, with our current progress, I think we have about up by 1.5%, 2 trading days. Okay, we just need another 6.5%. So it's like, I think probably 2 more weeks. If everything goes well, we can pass the phase 1 and move to phase 2. Okay, and then we will see if this platform is genuine, allow us to withdraw or not, if we manage to pass all the phase. Okay, so if we manage to receive the payout, then I will purchase the 15K account and continue, repeat the same process for the next 3 months, and then the lastly is 200K account with the next 3 months. Okay, so once we receive payout from here, we will deposit into our own trading account, and we will accumulate the capital until we reach a certain level like 50K or 100K. Then we will stop this funded account challenge. Okay, so just some update on the FTMO demo account. This is the progress of last week, but we actually already passed the account. I forgot to flash the result here. Okay, but you can refer back to my video on Monday. Okay, I'll put it in the top right corner here. Scalping account actually messed up the starting date. I did notice that it started 2 days earlier than the swing account, so the account actually expired, but we are actually running in profit that time. Okay, we just about 1.62% away from achieving the profit, achieving the goal. Okay, so I just already moved into the FundedNext 6K challenge account. As you can see, we are by 1.57% here, and there's no loss limit, no losses here. So far we are on a 100% win rate. We have 2 win and 1 break even if you follow through my live trade in the last 2 days. So I started on the 12th. I think I traded 2 days only. That's why you see the trading days is only 2 here. I only traded on the 12th and 14th. So the 13th and 15th, I'm quite occupied and busy, so I didn't make any trade. But well, that's how a part-time trader should be. You will not be able to trade every day, but on a consistent basis, you should achieve about 1 to 2% every week, which is good enough. In a month, you are getting about 8 to about there 7 to 8%. So we are targeting about I hope we can target about 2 to 3% each week. Then we can pass the challenge in 2 to 3 weeks time. Okay. So we try to be consistent. So of course, if I have more time to do the live streaming to trade, then definitely I will. So this is some update on our transition plan blueprint, okay, for the next 12 months. So next I will go and do the review of the trade that we took. So on the 12th, you can check back on the live streaming. I think on the 12th, I took a trade somewhere here. Okay, this is the zone as I've drawn my live streaming. So then I just took profit at about, I think 0.5 something percent. Then I just call off. Okay, I think it's somewhere above here. Yeah, this one. I just scalp through here and then I gone. I taken profit and I just get off from the live streaming. Okay, I just don't want to lose back the profit. But actually, you can see this is the right zone now. If you can see here, you have parallel channel and then you have the feeble zones, and it is also the demand zone over here. Okay. So, and then 13, I did not manage to do any live streaming thread. So it actually hit here and then come down lah, huh? But then on the 14th, I actually do a live streaming and I enter a thread somewhere here and then I just get 20 pips and I got my 1%. So another thread is I enter at blow of this candle. I actually managed to get about I can't remember. It's about 15 pips, I think, but I did not cross the thread and I hit a break even here, but it's okay. I did not stay longer for the streaming, otherwise I could have gotten this thread as well, but it's okay. By looking at this week chart, sorry, past last week chart, I think for this week, let me go to the 1 hour chart. Okay, overall it's still a very strong uptrend. Okay, so it's entered this demand zone. So my first forecast here is it may bounce from here, okay, and then bounce up again. So this is the first forecast. If this is, you can see the MACD here is still higher, okay, still a higher low. It haven't break this low, negative 2.44, okay, and you see the histogram bar here, the momentum of falling is getting weaker. So let's say if the price come down here and the momentum is still remains at somewhere here, then we will look for a long and then we aim for a 1% or 1.5% of profit lah. So another zone is that if this zone cannot sustain, it will come down all the way here. Okay, let me get the arrow. Okay, it could come down all the way. This is the golden zone. As you can see, this is a multiple upwards and breakout. So this is the also the gap here actually. So this is the demand zone. It's the parallel channel trend line, and it's also the feeble zone. As you can see, feeble 0.5 to 54. Okay, so if you hit this zone, definitely I will do for a long. Okay, no doubt. Okay, you just do it for a long and then you just aim for 1 to 2% profit. That's enough for the week. Okay, or for the swing trade, if you manage to come back here, I think this is a very strong demand zone that you bounce off. Okay, either here or somewhere here. So this is actually the gap. This is another opportunities that you can actually look for. Okay, maybe I just drag a bit longer until this zone now. So it depends on when it hit the channel and the zone together. Okay, this is the three zones that I'll be looking for a long. Okay, bear in mind this is a very strong uptrend, although the what we call it, the news, the data is not favorable to the gold price, but I think this momentum will not cause the price to come down directly, huh? Definitely it will bounce. So once it's break through these zones, then you can look for a short from there, huh? This means there's a change in the trend. Okay, so once it's break this one 2079.86, it will come back to the downtrend. Okay, so that's all for the forecast. I will see you in the live stream next week. Remember to subscribe to the Telegram if you have benefited from this channel. All right, thank you.
Make sure you subscribe so that you won't miss out. The link is in the description.